In this video, we are going to talk about complex sentences. We have talked in another video about simple and compound sentences. So that is like one independent clause or two dependent clauses. And with the complex sentences, we are going to introduce something called a dependent clause. Okay, so a sentence needs at least one dependent clause. But with complex, we are gonna add this dependent clause. So let's take an example. So here is an example. When we buy his birthday cake, we have to make sure it's lemon. Is made up of two clauses. I have written them with different colors. So the second one, we have to make sure it's lemon. It's an independent clause here. We have got subject, verb. Subject here is we, and the verb have to and make sure. So we have two verbs over here. It's an independent clause. So the sentence is relying on the information that is not provided, but it doesn't still stand as its own. We can't separate these two sentences. In this case, we have this other clause. We can't just say that we buy his birthday cake as a sentence that doesn't really stand on its own. It doesn't convey the information that sentence needs to convey. So we could have an independent clause or a sentence, but when we add subordinate conjunction, when over here, see, that makes this into a dependent clause. It can't be a sentence by itself, so it depends. So it depends on the later clause. We have to make sure it's lemon to be a part of a sentence.